Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I thought you asked me if I was okay with this.
Birthday to Varsu. Happy birthday to you.
I did not see this thing. How did I not see it?
And I said, for someone who has better eyesight than me, you are blind. You use it
I thought it was someone else's one. Yeah, why are you opening mine?
because you're struggling, taking too long. The
Oh my
suspense
god,
is
wrapping.
killing.
Wrapping.
Just for you, no as for me also.
There's also something for Shama.
Don't tear it. It's very beautiful packaging.
Bye bye.
Don't tear it. Give me the tip. Give me the tip. Give me the tip. Sabinya.
Let me cook.
Let me take out the tip. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Who wrapped this?
Amma.
Huh?
Did you wrap it?
You wrapped it?
I know, Amma's.
Oh my god, tell him.
And you?
Okay,
Handmade stuff. Stove.
I see. Check something. Oh. Pentel. What is this?
Oh my god.
First class pen. Oh, that's not a pen, that's a mechanical pencil. Oh, it's heavy. Nice. The thing's
Am I weak or can I? Oh,
Yeah, you're weak. You want it?
gang, this is first class. This is very, 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 very classy. You. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Gang, get this. Craft gear sponsor this.
Pentel.
Apa itu?
How do I open this? Oh, okay. What the heck?
Is that a pencil case?
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. How am I supposed to open this? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lord,
Big brain. Big brain.
what's this? Is there a pencil case with a pocket? Oh!
Ooh.
Can I
Right.
have it? Can I have it?
Eesh.
Nice. Sure? Is this a pencil case? I've been using the purple one you gave me when I was 9.
Oh, this is definitely gonna be missing.
No, it's not.
Definitely.
Okay, give me a pose with that. All your things.
Not